Okay, after wearing it for a while, oh, that's my phone inside. After wearing it for a while, I realized that it's actually a really nice bag, this one. I can fit my phone in a separate pocket here, protected from any stuff here. There's even a nice pen. That's a nice pen holder at the bottom or whatever it is. The best part is how my phone fits perfectly in it, even with the strange aspect ratio. So my phone is in there, wallet in there, and the Swiss Army knife Ranger always in there. Okay, so the modification is the following. I'm not such a big fan of this waist system, but this can be removed. I guess you could modify this to extend it if you really wanted to, but it's long story. And the options here are either to hold it like this in your hand, just hold it like this, or I could hold it from behind here like that, hold it with one finger from here, from the top, but there is a nicer option. I can borrow the strap from my old bag, nice Adidas festival bag. This is a bit too small, that's why I wanted to change it. I didn't want it too big, but because my phone has this weird aspect ratio, just a few centimeters extra, it's all I need. So the trick I remove this, keep the bag. This is the strap, very nice strap, and it's really so easy. The back of this thing, the actual strap can be mounted on this two here. So let's do it. One, and it doesn't matter if they are twisted, because this will untwist it. Yeah, it's the same like this. So that's it. Now the bag is a shoulder bag. I'll try it now. Okay, so this is the bag now. With the shoulder strap modification right there. Gets unraveled. Okay, so this is the bag with the modification. Simple, pretty simple. Shoulder bag. It's a bit funny looking maybe, I don't know. Looks a bit suspicious. Okay, I hope this helps you, and this is the bag. I hope this helps you, and you can easily modify this bag to become a shoulder bag. Thanks for watching. Tripod. The tripod is broken. The tripod is broken, and it's good it didn't fall. So this is the bag now. Okay, there's too much light here. The tripod is broken, so I have to hold it with my hand. This is the shoulder bag. I think it's pretty okay. Easy to remove, easy to use, easy to remove. I think it's a nice modification. And you can still hold it with the hand like this. You can easily hold it like this with the hand if you wanted to, or like this around the neck.